warship of aircraft with 48 missiles defending a lane is pretty amazing, particularly in today's threat environment.
Take my word, it's not your father's F-15. This is an advanced F-15. It has capabilities that we've never seen before in this fighter jet.
Capabilities like a fly-by-wire digital control system for precise F-15 handling.
Some of the high-angle attack capabilities that are on this airplane are really eye-watering.
Wing weapon stations 1 and 9 are now open for business,
which greatly increases the weapons carriage capability of this airplane.
A powerful advanced radar capable of supporting multiple missiles on target at a time. And arguably the world's fastest mission computer, the Advanced Display Core Processor, or ADCP-2, capable of processing 87 billion instructions per second and running the fighter jet's electronic warfare systems. Also proven out, the ability to fly very fast and very low.
We have a radar altimeter to be able to fly, down at 100 feet or so, which a lot of other platforms don't have that capability.
Confidence to fly twice the speed of sound and at low altitudes comes from trust in the aircraft and fellow test team members.
We're doing something nobody else has done, and that's what we're about. Testing, flight testing.
Pushing the new advanced F-15 to its limits. The new fighter's pilots have a message they're confident to deliver.
We're coming, man. Stay out of the way, because the F-15, when it's airborne, it's a force to be reckoned with.